There are plenty of ways you could go about doing this. I'm going to show you one way, but I'm not going to actually do it because it's not cost effective. It's cheaper just to buy 2x4s. However, I still think it's a good idea, so consider this if you want to make a cute little shoe shelf or something. Take your PVC pipe, 1 1/4 ID in this case, and some 1/2" plywood. Line it up like so that the point is tangent to the inside circle. Trace, and this is the shape that we're after. Make this part. This is a pattern. We can trace it all the way around, cut the area you've just traced away, and you'll have something that looks like this. Then your plywood inserts, and once it's in nice and snug, you can screw it from the back side right here, which will pull it nice and tight against itself and lock it in place. The beauty of this system is in its load transference. If you put a lot of weight on this, even though there's a hole in the PVC, the weight distributes itself right on down as though there's nothing missing, because there's one continuous chunk of matter from the top of the shelf to the ground. In order to make this prototype notch, I used one of these. When you get, the top and bottom are easy, but when you get to the sides, use a drill bit, and if you have it, one of those special drill bits like this. This drill bit is intended for a rotary tool, for drywall and such. You can press against it from the side and it will cut. You're not going to cut through a 2x4 or anything with it, but it is useful for minor adjustments. If you have scrap PVC laying around, give it a shot. I think it would be a great idea, but I priced 2x4s and it's not worth it. I'm not spending the money, especially on a crap video like this that won't return my investment in PVC. Even though I had these old road signs made out of plywood, they came with the house. And it would have been nice to make a throwaway shelf for over here. I have this corner where I would like to keep my grinders and maybe a couple routers and stuff. Oh well, it didn't happen. So maybe you can do it. See you later.